Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can add a title on your Squarespace site next to your logo. So let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, I'm on the main page of my Squarespace site, and as you can see here at the top left on the header, there is a logo that I have made, which I've put here. Now, what you need to do to edit this, you need to go into the edit mode, click on edit site header, click on the logo, click the pencil to edit it, and as you can see, you'll see your logo here and you'll see your site title right above it. Now, you can customize the look of your logo if you want to. It really doesn't matter, but what you're going to need to do to actually put a title next to it is you're going to need to edit the CSS code of your site. Now, what you're going to need to do to edit your CSS, you need to go into your pages menu right over here and then scroll down until you get to website tools. Now, once you're here, click on custom CSS. And as you can see, I don't have any CSS on my site right now, but click here on the first line and paste this code. Now, it is very simple CSS code. You can see header, dot header, dash title, dot dash logo, then a after, and then within these brackets, add this here. You can set it to whichever color you want, for example, brown. Let's say that. And it changed the title to brown. If I go dark brown, it doesn't work. I forgot my CSS code, but it doesn't really matter. And once you do that, you can click save and then go back. Now, as you can see, currently it is under, and I'm not really sure how to fix it, but it is what it is. That is pretty much the only way that I know of how you can add your title. Now, the title you make in the edit section of your header won't work, so you're going to need to put your title here. So, for example, title, tutorial site, let's say, for example, that. And as you can see, the title changes through your CSS, and that's pretty much the only way which you can use. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.